Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Upgraded bone conduction headphones version 5.2. That's the Bluetooth version. Side, we have nothing here. Back, we have all the information here. So you can put a memory card in and you can go for a run without your phone if you like. Alright, so let's open it up. Alright. That's what we get in the box. We have instruction manual here. We have a micro USB to should be using USB-C at this point. And then we have the headphones. And they're pretty lightweight. Guess I'll find out in a few days what it is. And here it has a micro SD card slot. And then here's where you charge. There's nothing on this side. From the description, I think it just shows your battery percentage. On this side, doesn't have anything there. On this side, we have plus and minus right here. Display, and then the charger and everything. And yeah, let's see. There's a way to turn it on. You press the plus button. Okay, so now it's in pairing mode. It has 92%. And yeah. And that's it. So if you're interested in this headphone, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support your channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.